You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name. If you want to learn more luxury brand name, fashion and beauty brand names, cosmetics as well, make sure to say it right. So there's a bit of a confusion and maybe controversy, different interpretations of the way this is to be pronounced. Okay, so I believe the company was started in France, and it's often marketing as coming from Paris or Paris, France. In French, for reference, it's said that as Babyliss, okay, Babyliss, and I think it's still headquartered in France, even though it does belong to an American company, I believe now. And in the US, I believe the pronunciation that the company uses is as Babyliss. Okay, so in the US at least, the pronunciation is Babyliss, even though the French pronunciation is Babyliss or Babyliss. And that's why you have different people saying that it's pronounced Babyliss, Babyliss or Babyliss or Babyliss, because there are indeed different pronunciations from the brand itself. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.